there, Peter here from DevCon here at Nura in Budrum on the Sunshine Coast with an update for you on construction for July 2026. Building J, which is units 72 to 82, they're the most complete. They're pretty well now already apart from carpets and flooring, so that starts within the next 2 weeks. The next building is building K, 83 to 94. They're just finishing the sheeting now before they get into painting, which is due to start on Monday actually, which is exciting. And then building C, slap bang in the middle, units 95 to 104, just now going through those final stages of fit off, so having the taps put in and the electrical switches, etc., before they move on then to the floor coverings. Around the site, it's looking really good actually, getting towards the business end, prepping for the last aggregate concrete pours that will go for the alfrescos and doorway areas there on building K, and then they will get into making some levels for the driveways. So could actually see some driveways within the next 2-3 weeks, weather permitting. Beautiful day today, let's hope it stays like that. I'll be back with you at the end of August, might be very beginning of September, where we should be able to see some pretty complete units and the site moving on. And I'll probably have a few more dates for you by then in terms of building defect inspections and valuations, etc. But if that changes before then, I'll jump back online and let you know. Peter from DevCon signing off for now. Thanks for being part of the project.